The very beginning is a learning curve for all youngsters. You know, the transition from school to work is quite a big thing, and what we try to do is gently bring them into the business slowly over the 6-month period, and then once you see the change in their attitude and confidence, that then obviously the light comes on, and then you can actually start develop into different sort of skill sets. And it's quite rewarding and fulfilling actually when you see somebody 2 years ago to where they are now, and they're holding their own. And what we encourage within the Celtic Manor Resort is an apprenticeship scheme where we take people on for 2 years, they become commis chefs, and then we have a few youngsters coming in. So those apprentices, which were apprentices, are commis, can mentor those youngsters coming through. So it's a succession plan really.
I've been working at the Celtic now for 2 years, and it's absolutely amazing. I couldn't ask for a better job. Well, I started off in a place called ACT in Cardiff, and they then put me on a work placement up here for 6 months, and then they offered me an apprenticeship then, and that's when I knew I wanted to be a chef. I was just like, this is what I really want to do. You've had people coming back saying, it's the best meal I've ever had, and you're just there like, yes, I cooked that, I've done that. And you can just, that relief after all day prepping so hard, working so hard, and then you have good response. It's just an amazing feeling.
Basically, it was the same as Shana. We both went to the same college at ACT, but at different times. But I done about a 6 months course there, and then I ended up here. Really good. I'm really surprised how much I really do love it and how passionate I am about being here. I'd love to have my own business and sort of pastry and cake making, sort of something along those lines, but it would be nice to have a higher position, maybe a chef party, something like that.
So we've done like a few like 900 people weddings and some like 2,000 people conferences, very tough. And it's just, the kitchen's just hectic and you're just running around like idiots, and I love it. It's boring when you're quiet. It's just no satisfaction, you're just there, I want to do something, I want to do something. In 5 years' time, I hope to be working in France or in Dubai, maybe have my own, start thinking about having my own business and just progressing even more. I want to be a Michelin star chef, first Welsh female to have a Michelin stars. That's what I want to be. I want to be the best.